I'm not gonna lie, this has been the roughest year, and you know I keep everything private. I never brought anything on social media, but I'm just gonna say I went through it this year.
See shy like the place, just YouTube it. Some other channel, just too foolish. Like, subscribe and share. Comment right here. I'm not like dog or YouTube lit.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Chesouye, and if you didn't know, now you know. And if you didn't know, now you know. No, I know I'm gone for a little time. I know no probably kill me. But guys, I beg you know, just please stay with me, because man, tell us say your girl been through it, and that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna lie, this has been the roughest year, and you know I keep everything private. I never brought anything on social media, but I'm just gonna say I went through it this year. This year was definitely the year. It was so bittersweet. I went through a lot of things that were, you know, good accomplishments, but matter of bad things reached me too, and you just gotta understand I just needed a break. And honestly, YouTube is something that I do for fun. I've said this numerous times. It's something that I do for fun. It's something that I leisurely do. I don't do it with the mere intention to intentionally just work. So I felt like I needed to take a break, and so I took a break. I'm back. Am I doing better? I'm trying my best. Life is still, you know, kicking my butt. I'm able to laugh, I'm able to smile, and I feel like that is just a blessing. A lot of persons, you know, they can't do this, and yeah, but this is me. This is how I'm looking. I'm not long to see me. See a girl here. See me here. But I mean, if you're on my other social media, you see me. I'm still on TikTok. I'm still on Instagram. Very active over there. And the only place I wasn't posting on is YouTube. But anyway, I'm here with a Q&A. But before we get into it, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Mention me on Instagram. Screenshot a part of the video or screen record. Post it on your story. Add my name to it. I repost. And all of them nice things there. So as I said, I put a poll on my Instagram, and y'all sent me some questions, so I'm gonna answer those questions. Seeing that I'm gonna do a Q&A in a year and add about there, like I'm gonna do a Q&A. I'm gonna ask you to ask me things and answer them. I told y'all could ask me anything. I'm gonna answer everything, and y'all did just that. Y'all come true like all the time. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. So let's get into it. Alright, youth, what's your mindset like? What is my mindset like? I'm really a positive person. You won't catch me in drama, all of that. I don't think, you know, they are beneficial to my life. So I don't think I'm a very, what should I say, I'm an intentional person, but I'm also, I don't want to say, but I mean, I'll just get up and do stuff, but I'm very intentional. Like, I plan my life. I try to plan my life down to the last detail, but at the same time, I'm flexible with it. So my plan say like by 25, I want to have a house, but at the same time, if I'm 21 and I have the money, I will just get up and buy it now. Hope you get that. So that's what my mindset is like. But I always try to have a positive outlook on life. I always try to, you know, be good to people, because I believe that karma is really real, and I just don't want to be put in that position. If I get what I say, guys, I'm sweating, so I'm gonna do it. So if you hear the noise in the background, it's hot in Jamaica, and yeah, I'm living in the country, but it act like I'm there town. I just can't bother. Next question: who's your crush? I don't really have a crush. I do have a celebrity crush, and that is August Alsina. I've been crushing on him since I was since I shouldn't have. Yeah, but I've been crushing on August forever. I don't really have a crush. I don't really like nobody right now. Honestly, I'm just taking life one step at a time, and I'm really young. I'm just 20, so I'm not really, I'm just a try to see. As I said months ago, I feel like my past relationship, well, my say all, like, I haven't been in a last relationship, but I'm just gonna say that, as I've said previously, I just feel like I was dating for the wrong reason. I'm never really understand life. I mean, I can say that this year is the year that I've really been out there. This year and last year, I've really been out into the world like that. I don't feel like I really have no well experience being an adult like that. Like, I feel like I just I try live up, I just start live up my adult life. If you get what I say, I feel like I'm just not ready for settle down. I just feel like I need for dates and try to understand other people, other diverse people. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but that's basically what I've been doing, and I feel I'm happy. I'm in a good place in my life, and I feel like this is the right thing for me to do right now. Next, you think it's weird to not want to be around family because of how they move unless it's some gathering? No, I don't think it is weird, because honestly, alright, for me, sometimes I just don't want to be around family. I don't want to be around anybody. For me, in everybody family, I have people where and and I feel like my mommy, as y'all know, is somebody I can talk about anything. Like, my mother feel like she's my friend more than my mother, and most days, yeah, I call her mommy, but mommy feel like I just a nickname. I don't feel like mommy I just a title my gear, because she just feel like my friend. She feel like she's the first person I run to when anything like that. But at the same time, I have family where, I know that they don't want the best for me or whatever. I'm gonna stay away from them. And then for me, I was living on my own for 8 months, so it's kind of difficult. Before, I was kind of more outgoing. Now I'm a little more antisocial. I lock myself in my room. I'll sleep all day, because that's just what I was used to when I was living alone. I'm not really, like, a week all pass, I'm not hear nobody. I'm not hear no other voice more than the one in my head. I'm not talk for a week. Yeah, I'm not talk for a week. So you can imagine now I come and I live with like watching other people, and you just can't catch a break. But yeah, as I say, it's not weird. It's really not weird. Do you have sexy feet? Weird question. I'm not satisfying your foot fetish. Next, where do you see yourself living as you grow, or are you a definitely stay in Jamaica person? Honestly, I love Jamaica, but I don't think that I will be my best self if I decide to stay here my whole life. Like, honestly, where it's at now, I'm definitely a not staying Jamaica person right now. I don't want to say too much. I don't really let me work on it in the immediate future or nothing, but I'm just say I think it's gonna be better if I just don't stay, because I don't feel like there's a lot of avenues for me as a person. For go through my career and stuff like that, and yeah, vague answer, but yeah. My age, I'm 20 years old, guys. I'm 20 years old. I turned 20 on June 15th. Yeah, so I'm 20. Always everything. So everything is actually, going good. Like, school is overwhelming. I'm on summer break now, but it is still very, very overwhelming. Alright, so let me explain. So school, you know, I work and I go to school at the same organization. So I work and go to school there, and you know, work is always work. And then school, I took on, like, so I explained in videos before that I was an ambassador for my school. So now I'm in the students union, and you know, I'm just trying my best as in my new role. So I am their public relations officer, and I'm just trying to learn my new role and do it to the best of my ability. It's something that I've wanted for a long time, and I'm grateful that persons actually saw that for me and you know made it happen. Health wise, I'm good. I took the vaccine. I took the first dose. I did not vlog it, so don't ask for a vlog. If I feel comfortable when I go for the second dose, I will definitely vlog it and show you my experience. But so far I've been doing well. I took the vaccine 2 weeks ago. So I took the vaccine 2 weeks ago, and I am fine. I'm doing well. Health wise, I am well. Mentally, everything, I am well. I'm doing okay. I'm happy. I am good. I'm very good. What else? So YouTube is, you know, I'm going to try to get back into that routine that I was. As I said, this year has been hard for me. It has been sincerely hard. I feel like I cannot catch a break. Every time I'm happy, I feel like I'm losing something. I feel like I cannot catch a break. I'm constantly losing. And yes, I'm winning. I'm not trying to be ungrateful, but I feel like I've lost so much this year and I've gained so much, and it is so bittersweet. And I just feel like sometimes I don't know. What's your favorite DIY food? Do it yourself food. What's my favorite do it yourself food? I don't really have a do it yourself food, but my favorite lunch or dinner is definitely curry chicken with anything like rice or dumpling and banana, boiled food. Yeah, me love curry chicken bad. But then my favorite do it yourself food would have to be like a wrap. Like me love wrap, you know. Me love wrap bad. Yeah, me love wrap. Any wrap, like mostly me normally do like a breakfast wrap or like chicken. But recently I see people talk about tuna wrap. I mean, I really like tuna like that. Like I've ate it before, but and that's something where I go supermarket and pick up, if I get what I say. So I'll definitely have to try out that and see how much I like it, for see if the wrap in general I like, or I just like chicken wrap and breakfast wrap. And my breakfast wrap I mean like my scrambled egg and sausage, bacon, put in the wrap, cheese, melted in the pot. Hello? Cause girl a chef, you know. Girl a chef. Yeah. But you love food, and if you love food you have to cook because stuff expensive. Advice on high school students or finally leaving high school and entering the working world. Alright, so for me, when I left high school, I worked in the summer for like 3 weeks, and basically it was new to me because like my sister left high school, and as I left high school I started work, and it was different. But basically me I said just put out the all, stay focused, know that you know things are just for your time. Even if you get a work where you don't really like it, do your best, because you never know. Do your best. You never know the people where you're going to come in contact with. You never know the people you're going to meet. You never know what in the future in the pipeline for you. So just do it to your best of your ability, and just do it where you have to do. Because which other YouTuber would you like to do a collaboration with? No, I have a few YouTubers that I was supposed to do a collab with, but life they just get so busy, and I still want to do collaboration with them. So Shani Beauty, I want to do a collab with her. I still want to do a collab with her. We were supposed to do it from June, but you know, a lot of stuff happened on my side. It wasn't her on my side, and we end up never get to do the collab. And I really hope that she still want to do the collab with me. Shani, do you still want to do the collab with me? And I hope that we're able to deliver. I also have, I'm trying to remember her name, Yesenia. I think her name is Yesenia on Instagram. We were supposed to do a collab, but for her work time and my work time, we just clash all the time, and you know, it just never happened. I still want to do a collab with her, and of course, you know, mother love if me could do a collab with like Petit Sue, because she's my favorite YouTuber, or Quiet Perry, Tanana, anybody. Because hello, I love Tanania, I love Petit Sue, Quiet Perry, Rushcam, me love them. They are my favorite YouTubers. I watch them all the time. I never miss a video. And then like anybody, any YouTuber want to collab with me, I'm always open to collabing with them. I'm not turning down nobody, but at the end of the day, you know, sometimes schedules are clash, or probably the area where them living kind of bad, but I really feel safe. I wish for them more for me, but I really feel safe. But aside from that, I don't turn down people. I will help out. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years? So in the next 5 years to 10 years, I'm gonna be like between 25 and 30. Alright, so I don't know, but I see myself happy and healthy, wealthy, and you know, all that stuff. Them, I'm hoping that by then, you know, I'm married, I have my little car drive, I have my little house, I'm comfortable, I'm nice, probably I have a one child by then, and so I don't really want to hold up people like that. But I'm hoping by then I'm a mother, and you know, excelling in my career. Probably then I have a master's or a doctorate. Yeah, definitely. Still doing YouTube and I don't know, stuff like that. Yeah, definitely. What keeps you motivated or inspired? The journey. There was a time when where I am in life now, I prayed for it. When I never had a job, I was praying for a job. Look at me now, I have a job. When I was in first year, I was praying that I made it to final year, and I'm in final year now. And those are the stuff that keeps me so motivated. When I had $0, I am praying for the $1,000 that I was praying for the $1,000 that I have in my purse now. And when I look at stuff like that, I am saying, wow, and I just get so grateful and so thankful that I am on this journey. And you know, probably what I pray for now, I'm gonna get it like 6 months time, and it is so amazing. And I just don't stop manifesting, I don't stop praying, and I don't stop being thankful and grateful, because my journey is mine, and me have to work on it, me have to put in so that I can take out. So as I say, what keeps me motivated or inspired? The journey. There was a time when I was praying. Last year this time, I was praying to be where I'm at in my YouTube journey. I was praying, and to know that I have reached there, motivation. Are you single? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm single, but I'm not single. I don't know. What's the greatest achievement you have already arrived at? That would have to be getting my associate degree. Like, I was supposed to graduate last year, I never graduated, but I have it in my hand. Like, if I go up on a little interview, I have it. I don't know, pending on a resume no more. I have it. Love that for me. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody is doing okay. okay? Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on Instagram at Chesouye and all other socials at Chesouye. Make sure you comment, make sure you do all of the things them. Make sure you screenshot or screen record a part of the video, post it on your Instagram story, tag me so I can repost. Other people like to see it too. Until next time, until my next upload, I'm your girl Chesouye. Bye.
Chesouye lock the place, just YouTube it. Some other channel just too foolish. Like, subscribe.